guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Rolando from ReveMoto. Today we're going to be doing a 2008 Toyota Avalon passenger side view mirror installation. Alright guys, so we're going to need a 10mm socket wrench with a extension. We're going to open the door. And the first thing we're going to notice on here is going to be the cover. So you remove the cover, just like that. So right here is the indication that we don't have to remove the door panel. The actual wire is actually exposed. Therefore, all you really need to do is unclip it and then remove these screws. So first thing I like to do is remove the screws first and then unclip it so the mirror doesn't fall off the actual base. Alright, so let's try that now. Alright, so there's going to be 3 screws, 10mm. Now you're basically going to go ahead and support the mirror with your hand. Unplug by pushing down this pin right here. Unplug it. Just like that. And then pull the mirror off. There you go. Let me go get the other mirror. I'm going to install that one. Alright guys, so here's our brand new mirror right here and our old mirror right here. As you can see on this mirror right here, it doesn't have this weather stripping. Most of the mirrors that we do send you guys does have the weather stripping, but again, if it doesn't have it, you can always reuse your old one or get a brand new one at the dealership. Okay? So let's go ahead, and this one doesn't have it. We're going to go ahead and take off this one. Very easy. Just like that. Put this to the side. Go ahead and reinstall this one on this one right here. So push that on it, just like that. There you go. Back on. On the installation process on this one, you want to line up the bolts with the holes. And also this is a guide point right here. So you want to line all that up. Just like that. Then I like to go ahead and plug it up. This plug right here. Go ahead and line it up. There we go. Then I usually try to plug it back up first. So in case the mirror does fall, it doesn't fall all the way back down. Okay. Alright. So the same process as removing it, we're going to put the bolts back in. I like to hand tighten it first. So let's not over tighten it. Go ahead and tighten up the other bolts. Alright, So before you tighten up all the bolts completely, I like to look. The mirror is flush, making there's no obstacles preventing it from going flush. So this one looks like it's gonna go flush. So once we tighten it up. So you just like to hand tighten it, not over tighten it, because if you do over tighten it, the tendency is you're gonna break these lug nuts or these screws off of the actual mirror. So just hand tighten it and you should be fine. Go ahead and put the cover back on. Just like that. There you go. Alright, so next thing you're gonna try to do is get a friend or someone to look if the mirror is actually moving, functioning correctly, turn on the car, make sure it's functioning correctly. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so the mirror functions correctly, everything's put back into place, so now the customer is ready to go. I do appreciate you guys watching our videos. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to us. Push that push notification so you can get other videos that we're going to be doing the next couple weeks. Do appreciate it, and if you guys need any parts, side view mirrors, bumpers, hoods, www.ReveMoto.com does provide everything for you guys pre-painted and ready to go. Thank you.